A giant leap begins, the year 1961. It was a time of immense change and unprecedented ambition. The world was on the brink of a new era, and the events of this year would shape the future in ways no one could have imagined. The year was 1961. The world watched in awe. Television screens flickered with images that seemed almost otherworldly, capturing the imagination of millions. People gathered around their sets, eyes wide with wonder and anticipation. A young Soviet cosmonaut named Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. His journey was a testament to human ingenuity and bravery. Gagarin's smile and wave before his historic flight became iconic symbols of hope and possibility. He circled the Earth, a tiny speck in a capsule, proving that space travel was possible. The sight of our planet from space, a blue and white marble suspended in the void, was both humbling and inspiring. This incredible feat ignited a fire in the hearts of many, especially in America. The race to explore the cosmos had begun, and the United States was determined not to be left behind. The space race was on. The United States, eager to demonstrate its own capabilities, looked towards the heavens. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, driven by a shared vision of reaching beyond our world. A bold idea began to take shape. President John F. Kennedy addressed Congress with a vision. His words resonated deeply, inspiring a nation to dream big and aim high. He declared that America would land a man on the moon before the decade's end. This ambitious goal captured the imagination of the public and set the stage for one of the greatest achievements in human history. This was a monumental challenge. It would require incredible courage, innovation, and determination. The path ahead was fraught with obstacles, but the spirit of exploration and discovery was unstoppable. But the spirit of exploration burned bright. The Apollo program was born. This program would become a symbol of human potential, showcasing what we can achieve when we dare to dream and work together towards a common goal. Kennedy's challenge, a race to the moon. The Cold War was at its peak. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a tense rivalry. Both superpowers sought to prove their technological superiority. Space exploration became a key battleground in this competition. President Kennedy's challenge to reach the moon was more than just a scientific endeavor. It was a matter of national pride. It was a demonstration of American ingenuity and resolve. The world was watching, and the stakes were high. Reaching for the stars, science and technology of Apollo. The Apollo program was a monumental undertaking. It demanded groundbreaking advancements in science and technology. Engineers and scientists faced unprecedented challenges. They had to design and build a spacecraft capable of carrying humans to the moon and back safely. New materials, navigation systems, and communication technologies had to be invented. Every aspect of spaceflight, from life support to re-entry procedures, had to be meticulously planned and tested. The quest for the moon pushed the boundaries of human knowledge and capability. Section 4. The mighty Saturn V, a rocket like no other. At the heart of the Apollo program was the Saturn V rocket. This engineering marvel remains the most powerful rocket ever built. Towering over 36 stories tall, the Saturn V possessed immense power. It could generate over 7.5 million pounds of thrust. This incredible machine was capable of hurling the Apollo spacecraft and its crew towards the moon at speeds exceeding 24,000 miles per hour. The roar of its engines echoed the ambition of a nation reaching for the stars. Section 5. Tragedy and Triumph. The story of Apollo 1. The journey to the moon was not without its setbacks. The Apollo program, a monumental effort to land humans on the moon and bring them safely back to Earth, faced numerous challenges and obstacles. Each mission was a step into the unknown, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technological capability. In 1967, tragedy struck the Apollo program. The nation watched in horror as news broke of a catastrophic event that would forever change the course of space exploration. During a routine test on the launch pad, a fire erupted inside the Apollo 1 command module. The blaze spread rapidly, fueled by the pure oxygen environment inside the spacecraft. The three astronauts aboard, Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger Chaffee, lost their lives. These brave men were pioneers, pushing the limits of what was possible in the quest for space exploration. This heartbreaking event sent shockwaves through NASA. The organization was forced to confront the harsh realities and dangers of space travel. The entire nation mourned the fallen astronauts, memorial services were held, and flags were flown at half-mast to honor their sacrifice. The Apollo program was temporarily halted. NASA took this time to reflect and reassess its approach to ensure the safety of future missions. A thorough investigation led to significant safety improvements in the spacecraft design. Engineers worked tirelessly to address the flaws and prevent such a tragedy from happening again. The sacrifice of the Apollo 1 crew served as a stark reminder of the risks inherent in space exploration. Their legacy lives on, inspiring future generations to reach for the stars while remembering the cost of such endeavors. Section 6. Giant Leaps and Orbits Apollo 7 and 8. After the Apollo 1 tragedy, NASA emerged stronger and more determined. In 1968, Apollo 7 marked the first successful manned flight of the Apollo Command and Service modules. This mission proved the viability of the redesigned spacecraft and its life support systems. Later that year, Apollo 8 achieved a historic milestone. It became the first manned spacecraft to orbit the Moon. The crew, Frank Borman, Jim Lovell, and William Anders, beamed back stunning images of the lunar surface and a view of Earthrise that captivated the world. Apollo 8 brought humanity one giant leap closer to the Moon. Section 7. 1. Small Step. The Legacy of Apollo 11. On July 20, 1969, the world held its breath. People from all walks of life, from every corner of the globe, were united in anticipation. It was a moment that transcended borders and brought humanity together in a shared experience of wonder and awe. Millions watched on television as the lunar module Eagle touched down on the surface of the Moon. The grainy black and white images broadcasted into living rooms worldwide became an iconic symbol of human achievement. Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on another celestial body. His descent down the ladder of the lunar module was a moment of intense anticipation, culminating in that historic first step. His words echoed through history. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. These words captured the essence of the mission and the spirit of exploration that drove it. Apollo 11 was a triumph of human ingenuity, courage, and the indomitable spirit of exploration. The mission showcased the best of what humanity can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. It marked the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and unwavering belief in the power of science and technology. Thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians poured their expertise and passion into making the mission a success. The Apollo program left an indelible mark on human history. It was not just a series of missions, it was a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream and push the boundaries of what is possible. It inspired generations to dream big, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to reach for the stars. The legacy of Apollo 11 continues to influence modern space exploration and reminds us that with determination and innovation, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.